welcome to DC Tech Talks. Today we are going to unbox a mobile printer, a wireless printer, DCode DC 3M. So the most beautiful thing about this printer is that you can connect this printer wirelessly with your smart device, be it a mobile phone, a tablet, or your Bluetooth enabled laptop, whatever it is. So we'll try and unbox this and let's see what do we have inside. So firstly, we have a user manual. Secondly, we have a driver CD which has all the useful softwares to be used for this printer. And then what do we have? This is a charging cable, USB-C type charging cable. And what is this? This is a charging brick. So you can use this brick to charge your mobile printer, DCode DC 3M. So this is available inside the printer apart from the printer itself. So now let's try and unpack the printer. Right, so this is DCode DC 3M, your wireless mobile thermal printer. So we have a one push button on the right hand side which easily opens your printer, and you can use your receipt rolls, your direct thermal barcode labels, which is adjustable of course, and you can adjust it according to the width of your media. And we have a 2500 mAh battery inside of this printer, and because of this you can use this printer for 8 long hours continuously. And what do we have here? So right in front we have 3 buttons and a small LCD screen. So let's try and open the printer, switch on the printer, and this is how it looks. The small setting screen you can say, and you'll be able to view all the print settings for this particular printer. And we have one feed button as well, which of course feeds your thermal roll. And lastly, we have this charging port which can be used to charge your mobile printer, and it completes the unboxing of DCode DC 3M. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.